guys, we are here today. We're showing you, it's been a while. I have black hair the last time I did a video. So anyway, we're showing you our potato patch that we've been growing in the greenhouse. So they're potato bags that I did with feed sacks that we've had. And my helper here is gonna dig through the sacks with me. And we're gonna see how many potatoes we can get. So enjoy the video. Wait a minute. Patience, sir.
And then Bella.
Excuse me, Belly.
And my brothers, Anson, come on. And Anson doesn't want to do one. Do it.
Hey, will you pick up that little garden tool that you brought out of the greenhouse and put it back? Put it back in the greenhouse so it doesn't get stepped on or lost, please?
Yes, and no one steps on it.
Yeah, thank you, sir. I'm just moving this. There for right now. Okay, let me get it. You want me to do it?
Tater.
So what'd you get?
A tater.
You got a tater.
And then
So we're just digging through the dirt. Oh, there's a little bitty. That looks like a peanut potato. Oh, that one's kind of cuck. That's a yucky potato. Oh no, I think that these ones didn't do very good. Yeah, if they're smushy, then don't put them in the bucket with the ones we're keeping. Okay?
mushy.
Let me see that one. Oh, that would have been a big one too. Darn it. Got mushy. All right, here.
Hey guys.
Let's turn this over and dump it out. What do you think?
Guys, we're gonna turn this over and dump it out. So we can get more potatoes that I want, that we need. They mean.
All right, this is just a regular 50-pound sack of feed that I...
Ah,
What was it?
Friday.
Oh, spiders. That's why Mommy's wearing gloves. Oh, there's another one that's rotten. Why don't you let Mommy dig?
This is a good Tay-Day.
Oh, good job. Let me see it. That's a nice tater.
Yeah. Good.
All right, let Mommy dig. Well, there's a spider in there. Do you want that spider? I mean, you can dig if you want.
And I want to dig.
All right. Well, just watch for the spider.
Tay-Day, Tay-Day. Little bitty one.
Little bitty baby tater.
And then, guys, I'm digging. Tay-Day, Tay-Day, Tay-Day.
Okay, slowly, sir. Slowly.
Mommy. The worms are being good,
What are the worms doing?
making soil
How do they make soil?
from eating it.
Oh. Look at that tater.
Yeah, that was like, they're just like the ones that when you carve them,
Oh.
they are the ones that we put.
Now look, see that? There's a red spider.
Kill it!
I'm not going to kill it. It's
Why?
just doing its job.
Why?
Killing
Wait.
bugs.
Wait.
Mm-hmm.
He a big fatty.
He's a big fatty.
First when that spider goes to do his job, I can dig. Yeah, because bugs, if they eat our taters, we won't have taters.
Well, I don't think we even got a single meal out of the amount of taters that we harvested.
Tater!
That's a rotten tater.
Another way on a Mr. Rhyme. Hey, this one's good for fishing. Yes.
Is it?
Yes.
It's a good fishing worm, huh?
Yeah. Fat. Supposed to be fat.
Oh.
Very fat. This one's fat and strong.
Okay.
Hey, buddy. Now then.
There's another rotten tater.
Potatoes. Another
Little bitty one.
Yeah. Buddy.
That's about the amount of our harvest from 2 50-pound sacks of potatoes.
Go back doing your job.
Or 50-pound sacks of feed sacks filled with dirt.
And these thingies are doing their job.
Yeah, those roly-polies, huh?
Yeah. They are staying so if there's abomination.
There's abomination? What are you talking about?
If spiders try and eat them. Because they're bugs.
But what do you mean there's abomination?
Because if someone put a bomb in our house and it exploded, we have to get out.
Uh-huh. So what does the roly-poly bug have to do with that?
Stay safe. So if it blows in the heel.
Oh. Well, that's different.
Sometimes kills one. Because the shells are very stronger than potato shells.
Are they?
Yes.
Okay. Well, let's see what we can get out of another bag.
Yeah. We should bring my cast net and, well, we go to Uncle Chad. Or net that we throw into the water. We should bring it.
Okay. What are we going to do? See if we can catch the minnows with your cast net?
Yeah.
Ooh.
And then we bring our fishing rods so we can use them as bait.
I could just dump these.
Yeah.
But I found that the straw is pretty well formed together. So I can just pick it up right off the top and then I'm just gonna throw them in my compost bin.
Wait. Oh.
That's not a worm, that's a centipede.
Yeah. And Lenny.
Yeah, I don't want you digging in here with centipedes.
Okay. Can I go get gloves on?
If you want.
I want to.
He's my hard worker. He loves, if I'm outside doing anything, he loves being right beside me. Meanwhile, while his brothers are in the house playing video games. Summer is coming to an end abruptly. Now those are nice. These were my red potatoes. Three. 4, 5 little bitty ones, so they count as one, right?
Ready?
Ready?
Yeah. Got big tater.
That's a big tater. Show the camera.
Hey guys, this is a big tater that I have. Look, these taters are red.
Yep. These are the bags of red potatoes that Mama planted. We watered them every day, didn't we?
And big, in a way.
A big worm?
Yeah, and it was sweet. Find more that I need. We need to eat. Okay. If you find little bitty ones, let those ones grow. So, another way, here's Whammy. Those are pet worms.
We're growing a worm farm.
Yes.
Alright, should we do the other bag?
Good.
Alright.
Now, buddy. Now go to your drawer. So we can. That's that. Here, guys. Make soil. What? We want you to make soil. So go. Go. I want you to do is make soil for us. That one's a big patch of potatoes for you.
I hope.
Here's the spider that I almost got bit by. And the centipedes are doing a job. I'm eating bugs too. And if the snake's in this one.
There better not be.
Yeah.
Why are you saying there's snakes in that one?
But it's not in this one.
Why?
Yeah, we're gonna be dead.
Why are you saying there's snakes in this one? Did you see a snake in it?
No.
Well, why are you saying that?
No, can't be snakes.
Well, don't say that. We don't want snakes in this bag.
Yeah, because those
Mommy
snakes.
will scream very much, loudly.
Yeah, that I would be like, I'll be running for my life.
You will be running for your life?
Yeah.
Ooh, there's a jumping spider.
No, that's a black widow spider.
No,
It's a jumping. See, it has red on it.
no, it's a jumping spider. It does have red on it, but that's a jumping spider. That's not a black widow. I don't think. Are black widows fuzzy?
Yes.
No, they're not.
Yeah, they don't have white
Oh,
on
that
it.
really pulley has like armor on it.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, he has armor on it. Hey guys, we found a woolly pulley that has armor on. I still
This one's heavy. I have to pull my pants up for this so that...
I have underwear, but my pants are falling down.
You have underwear, but your pants are falling down.
Ready?
Hey, same problem here. I have underwear, but my pants are falling down. Oh! Here we go.
One is going to be good. Does this one have red potatoes in it?
Yeah, it should. Yep. See red taters. Okay, hold on.
Got a tater! Got a tater!
I think this was the best one, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, we got... another red tater. Well, I'm planning to. So,
Find some.
for the red potatoes definitely produced more. And still didn't even barely get what we planted back from what we harvested. So
Yeah.
it is what it is. It was a trial run and wanted to see how it would work. It definitely will grow potatoes, just not a lot. So I've never grown potatoes that I've actually harvested, so that's exciting. We'll have a couple potato meals out of that. Maybe one potato meal out of it, but
yeah.
You working hard?
Yeah, I want you to help.
Getting your work pants dirty?
He's only really wet.
All right. Well, what do you want to tell everybody?
So, guys, Mom, every day can we do a YouTube channel?
Sure. What do you want to tell everybody watching our video?
So subscribe and hit that like bell and peace.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah. Why did I do that?
I'm not real sure.
Lost my glove.